In grade 4, we are learning about planet Earth. We dug 2 pits.
Okay.
And in one we kept a banana peel.
Alright.
And the second a plastic bag.
What happened was that the banana peel was broken into pieces and mixed with the sand.
The plastic bag didn't change because it doesn't decompose.
So what did we decide to change?
We took up the idea of reducing plastic and we saw how much plastic do we use and we clocked our own plastic pattern. I have contributed 288 plastic packets of Maggi till now, and I think that it's too much because I'm eating twice a week Maggi. Now I'm trying to reduce it to 1 time a week. We found out where plastic is used the most by doing a survey, and we found out that vegetable vendors give out the most plastic as customers ask for vegetables in different plastic bags. We got a solution to make cloth bags to reduce the amount of plastic.
We decided to come up with the idea of different small bags going into the big bag, so then it's more comfortable for the person using it.
Size बहुत बड़ी है. I like the material very much.
Basically reinforce the part where your handles or drawstrings are coming and the bags won't tear as easily.
And we got them prototyped, and finally we got a tailor who stitched in the final bag. We also did presentations and street plays to spread awareness of reducing plastic to a larger audience.
India uses 3 billion plastic bags used per year. And Gujarat 1.8 billion.
And you know that plastic is so harmful. So won't you buy our cloth bag?
Whenever I go to a mall, it's going to be kept in the car and I'm going to use it.
Now I hope that the usage of plastic gets more less.